You know what's crazy? A business can do 99 things right and still lose a customer, maybe because something missed. For example, a document didn't go out, someone forgot to assign a task, or an approval came in late, or maybe just somebody thought that I'll do it later. And you know what? The customer will not see the 99 things you did right. They will notice the one thing you missed, or maybe the one thing that went wrong. So think about what happens when a customer says yes. You think, okay, you did great, you onboarded the customer, job done, right? Not really. Now all of the handoffs actually start at this point. This is the most crucial part. Sales has to pass everything to the operations, someone has to create the project, someone has to figure out who's doing what, requirements need to be corrected, deadlines need to be set, the customer needs update, and somehow someone has to make sure actually all of this happens. Now the team isn't necessarily doing anything wrong. Maybe everything's going perfect. They're busy, they're working. The problem is the process is living inside their heads. And as you get more customers, more projects, more employees, there's just more stuff that people need to remember. And eventually something or the other just gets mixed in the whole process of it. Now if your team is constantly saying did you do this? Did you send that? Who's handling this? I mean, you might not have a people's problem there. You might have a problem in the process. Because if everyone has to remember every little step, your employees are basically becoming the system and they're unable to do the task that is actually assigned to them. And this is not going to help you scale. You need to build the process instead. And that's not going to help you scale. The solution is that you need to focus on the process instead. Let the system remember the steps and let people actually focus on the work they're supposed to do. Now I want you to imagine this. Suppose a customer says yes. And instead of saying, okay, so who's doing what? The process already knows. The project gets created, the tasks are there, the owners are assigned, the deadlines are set. And the team can just move. That's a pretty big difference. You're not constantly managing the work. You're designing the system so the work can move itself forward. Now, if your customer just said yes, okay, now what? If someone has to manually create the project, then manually assign the tasks, message it, then set the deadlines. You're still relying on people to start the process. The better setup would be the yes becomes the trigger. Project starts, tasks appear, people get assigned, deadlines are there, and the team can get to work. That's a much better way to run it. And this is the point where Lio and Taro actually come together and work. Lio handles everything that is coming into your business. It's going to capture your leads, it's going to qualify them based on the scores that are assigned to them, and then eventually it's going to assign those leads to the right salesperson. Then once all of this is done, the Taro is going to take over. The projects can be created, the tasks can be generated, people are assigned with the tasks. Deadlines and dependencies are also set. So instead of somebody going, wait, a new customer, what do we do now? The work is already sitting there and the manager can actually see what's going on, what's moving, what's stuck, who needs help. So you're not spending the whole day chasing people for updates. The workflow gives everyone a much clearer picture of what needs to actually happen. That's a bunch of people trying really hard to keep everything together. That's Lio and Taro for you. Now, if you wish to increase the efficiency of your workflow, you can book a demo with us. And I'll see you in the next video.